Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you a very affordable prefab home that could lead to a new trend. I've been following everything going on in the offsite construction industry for quite some time now, and nothing brings me more joy than finding something new. Through trial, error, and hundreds if not thousands of people lighting me up in the comments, I've realized that people are looking for something affordable. Should have been obvious. It doesn't matter how cool I think something is, if the price is too high, there's a really good chance it'll result in an influx of hair jokes and daytime TV comparisons. With that being said, today I'm really excited to present a fast-growing startup looking to accelerate the transition to prefabricated home solutions. The company I'm talking about is called Nidus, and their lineup of affordable prefab homes have a DIY element that I'm starting to see more often. What I'm going to do is tell you about the company, show you their models, and get into the pricing. Nidus was founded in 2020 by 3 European entrepreneurs that are passionate about technology and sustainability. They're on a mission to provide home seekers with prefabricated modular natural homes that are energy efficient, upgradable, configurable, and affordable. This is a perfect example of a company listening to the market and finding a new way to deliver something that's a little bit different, leading to a variation of floor plans that otherwise wouldn't be possible. On top of that, they're implementing a cost-saving strategy that I've only seen one other company market, and that's incredible tiny homes. What they do is take the home most of the way to completion and leave a few DIY elements for the owners. There are a lot of people out there who have the get up and go but don't have all the time or skills needed to build an entire home. Even if you have the skills, most people don't have the time to slap together an entire home from scratch. It's a lot of work. They've broken down the order process into 4 steps. Step 1 is configure. This is where potential buyers choose the house configuration that suits them. They have everything already prepared and can support buyers with documentation for building permits if need be. Step 2 is manufacture. As soon as they have the approved documents, they start prefabricating the house module by module in their factory located in Romania. Compared to some of the other prefab companies currently available, the Nidus turnaround time is fairly fast. Their website says it'll be weeks, not months. Not bad. At the construction site, they unload the home and assemble the entire house in a matter of days. After they make sure it passes their quality control, they hand over the keys and it's on the buyer to finish the interior however they like. I'm interested to hear if you like the idea of finishing some of the home yourself, if you know it means saving some money, or if you'd prefer to have it wrapped up in a neat little bow and all you have to do is show up with your stuff. My guess is it's going to fully depend on how comfortable you are running tools, which in my case, not very. The way they have this set up is you choose end and middle modules to customize the floor plan to meet your needs. How many choices you get to make depends entirely on what floor plan you choose and how many modules it comes in. Let's have a look at some of what they got. The smallest of the Nidus lineup is called the Dove. The Dove is described as a comfortable home on or off grid with all the necessary amenities including kitchen and bathroom, all in a footprint of just 236 square feet. The Dove is excellent for personal and commercial use for up to 2 people. 236 square feet makes the Dove one of the smallest homes available in the space, but so is the price. They go on to say that the Dove is comfortable and functional in any environment, on or off grid, and ideal for a holiday home. I agree with that. I think if you deck this thing out in a cool location and put it on as an Airbnb, people would be lining up to book the space. If I bring up the floor plan, it's only 22 feet long by 10 foot 8 inches wide, but like they say, does fit in everything you need. The home has a door about halfway down the side that lands you in the combination entrance kitchen. The kitchen area has enough room for a stovetop, small fridge, sink, and a few cabinets and drawers. Listen, there's no getting around the fact that the Nidus Dove is a very small home. So if you're the kind of person who wants a lot of space to stretch out and move about, probably not going to be the best choice. However, there are a lot of people looking for exactly what Nidus is offering, so let's keep looking. To the left of the entrance is the bedroom, which has dimensions of 9 feet by 10 foot 8 inches, and if it were me, I would finish it with either a Murphy bed or a hide-a-bed, because in a home that size, you want to be getting multiple uses out of whatever space possible. I'm almost leaning towards the hide-a-bed because then the bedroom doubles as the living space, and you've got somewhere to hang out that isn't a bed during the day. 100% of my hide-a-bed knowledge comes from the 1970s unit that was located in my grandparents' living room when I was a kid, but it turns out they do still exist. What I like best about the Nidus Dove is the price. There are not that many homes on the face of planet Earth that fall within the same price range as the Dove. Some, but not many. I fully understand that for a lot of people, 236 square feet is simply not enough space, and apparently so does Nidus because they do offer a bigger model. The second model offered by Nidus is called the Condor, a name that absolutely slaps. They describe the Condor as a comfortable home excellent for both personal and commercial use, made of prefabricated modules that you can configure according to your needs and or the construction site characteristics. The Condor is a bit different from a lot of the other prefabs available in that it comes in sections end to end instead of sections side to side, and they're put together on site. So depending on the model selected, they deliver 3 or 4 ground floor modules and 3 or 4 loft modules to create the desired size and layout of the home. The smallest Condor has a footprint of 355 square feet with a living room, bathroom, and kitchen on the main floor and a lofted bedroom on the second. Lofted models aren't going to be a favorite with the older crowd or even an option for people with mobility issues, but I do still think they will appeal to a lot of people. My personal favorite version of the Condor has a footprint of 473 square feet in what I would consider a far more livable layout. The ground floor again is very wide open, with the living room taking most of the space while the kitchen and bathroom are at the end. The game changer in my opinion is there's enough room for proper stairs to the second floor with 2 bedrooms, so that could potentially work for a small family. I'm not about to end this video without first looking at their prices, so let's see what they got going on. Based on conversions at the time of this video, the Dove has a base price of around $17,500. The smaller Condor shown $29,000 and the 2-bedroom Condor $49,000. Like I mentioned, these are somewhat of a handyman special, so it's important to understand what's included and what has to be finished by the owner after it's been delivered and set up. The price includes a 15-year warranty, exterior studs and wood facade, exterior doors and windows, cable tubes for electrical installation within the walls, and ventilation ducts within the structure. The price does not include land, foundation, transportation, electricity and plumbing installation, wall and floor finishes, bathroom and kitchen, interior doors, stairs, or furniture. There is a lot of work that has to be done after the fact, which depending on the person is either going to be a positive or a negative. I have friends who have done this with homes. They basically get a shell built and have enough skill to finish everything on the inside, which allows them to save money with sweat equity. I am not a handy person, like at all, so this wouldn't be a great option for me to take on, but for sure a great way to keep it affordable for those who are. The other option we can't overlook is hiring people to finish it out for you, which depending on where you are could be a way to save money compared to buying something that's fully built out. A few approaches to consider. The Nidus lineup of homes have some cool options and unique methods of saving money for those of you watching in Europe. I wouldn't be surprised if we see more of these partial DIY options hitting the market, because it's a way to make the initial purchase more affordable, and that's an important factor right now. It'll be interesting to see if more of this style of cost savings ends up popping up over here in North America. I think people would like it. I'll be checking back on Nidus to see if they expand their offering or decide to ship to North America, and if they do, I will post an update right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.